Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make image to hug video editings in Kling AI. So if you want to make the viral hug video, first you just need to prepare two image combined like this. You can use any photo editor that you want, and after that you can open your browser and find the Kling AI in here. Okay, so you'll see this one, Kling AI. Tap on the Kling AI, and in here you need to create an account first. So click on the sign in at the top, and here you need to click on sign up for free. You can enter your email address, set a password, and after that click on next. So I'm going to make an account first. Here you need to complete the security verifications to proceed. Okay, just wait, and now you can just sign in and send a verification code first that is sent to your email. So you need to input it in here. Okay, so now I've already signed in. You can see. Now what you need to do is just click on the AI videos option, and in here you need to click on image to video. So you can just select the image first. This is the image. Now you can after the image is uploaded, you can just write the prompt in here. Make the people in the photo hug each other. Okay, and after that here you can just scroll down. Here you can choose the mode, the length of the video, the number of generations, and camera movement. If you want to, you can also set it. And after that here you can just click on this button and wait for the Kling AI to generate your videos. So let's see, your creation is brewing. Enjoy a coffee break while we finalize it. Kling AI keeps spinning magic even when you leave the page. So let's just wait. So I've already waited more than an hour, but the video is not yet finished generating. You can just try on your own, maybe, or you are luckier than me and your video will generating more quick or quicker. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.